Aqua Ria Boutique Hotel, one of our top picks in Faro. This property is 12 minutes walk from the beach, offering a central location in Faro. Aqua Ria Boutique Hotel offers modern and elegant accommodation in the main shopping street, Rua do Santo and Io. It includes free Wi-Fi access and a restaurant downstairs. All air-conditioned, soundproofed rooms include a brown Dior and wooden floors, plus a flat-screen cable TV, mini fridge and a safe. The private bathroom comes with free toiletries and a hairdryer. Aqua Ria Boutique Hotel features solar panel water heating plus an energy and water automatic management system. Some rooms offer views of Faro Marina and Ria Formosa. The Costa Algarve restaurant serves the best local cuisine made with fresh, seasonal ingredients. Guests are a few steps away from the lively nightlife area, featuring bars, clubs and restaurants. The Old Town is within a 2-minute walk, where guests will find the ancient walls and Faro Archaeological Museum, set within the cloister of a former convent. Faro Beach is 10 kilometers away. Faro Bus Station, Eva, is less than 300 m away from Aqua Ria Boutique Hotel, and the train station is 150 m further. Faro International Airport is within 8 kilometers and the boutique hotel can arrange an airport shuttle.